We just got back from snorkeling. We both had a really great time. Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Julia, a Dallas-based flight attendant. Right now I am on day 2 of my Royal Caribbean cruise. We are on the Navigator of the Seas, and today we port in COCOCAY, which is actually Royal Caribbean's own private island. I'm super excited. We're gonna go snorkeling and then spend the day walking around the rest of the park, hanging out, eating, so I'm really excited to get to show you guys everything that we're up to today. This is my outfit for the day. I'm wearing a bathing suit from Cupshe. I'll make sure to link it in the description box below, and these shorts are actually from Forever 21. This is the backpack that I'm bringing for our excursion today. It is from ZOMAKE. It is a water-resistant backpack. So I'm excited to try it out, and I will put the link to it in the description box below. We are finally out the door. We're about 10 minutes later than we would have liked to be, but it's okay. We have our tickets for snorkeling, and we're gonna go eat breakfast first and then head off the ship into COCOCAY. Normally I do not eat a breakfast this big, but you know, when you're on a cruise. I have a cheese omelet, hash brown, bacon, a waffle, and a strawberry pancake. Eric has bacon, eggs, a waffle, French toast, and then, oh, and a hash brown as well. So I didn't know this about cruises, but Eric does because he's been on a cruise before. Before and after, every time you eat, you have to wash your hands. They are very, very big about that. Probably because there's a lot of germs.
Yeah, sickness, I think.
Yeah. We just finished breakfast and now we're going to grab some towels and head to go snorkeling. Also, it is very, very important to not lose your towels. If you don't return them, it's a $25 fee per towel. My first time in the Bahamas. We just got to the beach area in COCOCAY. The weather is actually pretty nice. It's a little windy, it's overcast, so the sun isn't like completely beating down on us. Now we are just hanging out for a few minutes, and then we're gonna go meet up with our tour guide to go on our reef, snorkeling, and sandbar getaway. It's windy, so I'm really hoping that I don't get cold in the water because I'm a baby when it comes to cold water. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but I think I got a little bit stung by a jellyfish. It stings. We just got back from snorkeling. We both had a really great time. I got stung by a jellyfish, but it's okay. So we're just gonna walk around COCOCAY for a little while, go eat some lunch, and then probably head back to the ship, and we want to try and go on some of the water slides before a lot of other people are there so we can beat the crowd. We're eating lunch at a place called the Chill Grill, which is on the COCOCAY island, and what's really cool is they bring all of the food from the ship out onto the island so that it's free. So like we ate here and we didn't have to pay anything. We both got Mexican food. I got some steak tacos, and what did you get?
Pork carnitas tacos. I put different salsa on each one. So
Nice.
See which one I like.
And they have free ice cream. There are some little shops here on this island, like in little cute huts, so we're gonna go check those out. Shops are in a place that's called Straw Market. Eric and I had so much fun at COCOCAY. When we got back to the ship, we went on all of the water slides, and originally I tried to bring my GoPro so that I could show you guys like all of the slides because they had super cool lights inside of them, but I got in trouble and the guy said no GoPros, so I had to put my camera away. I tried the flow rider surfer thing and I actually didn't do too terribly bad. I was pretty proud of myself. So now we are ready for dinner. Eric told me that on most cruises you have a formal night, and we never received a notification or anything that said that like today was our formal night, so we kind of just decided to make it our own and our own date night. So we're gonna head off and do that. For our formal date night, I'm just wearing this little red cocktail dress that, believe it or not, I got from TJ Maxx, and these are Jessica Simpson heels, and they are the most comfortable heels I've ever worn. And what are you wearing, Eric?
Just some khaki slacks, brown shoes, and button up.
You look so good.
No, you look better.
So we just came back from dinner and it was fabulous. And when we first got onto the ship, I asked our room attendant if he made any towel animals and he said no. But we got back to the room and I have like the cutest towel animal ever, and he put my glasses on him. What do you guys think he is? I think he's like some sort of bird. But look how cute he is. He's like reading the magazine and he's got my glasses on him. I think it's so cute. I think that me and Eric might go to a comedy show tonight if we're feeling up to it. If not, we're just going to stay in and probably watch a movie to finish out our night. We had such a fun day here at COCOCAY. It was my first time in the Bahamas and we had a wonderful dinner. It was just a really, really awesome day. So thank you everyone so much for watching this video. I will have more videos coming out from this cruise, so make sure that you stay tuned for those. If you did like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss any of my travel tips and adventures. I will see you guys next time. Bye!